read the news. Alpha Blues.
Salut, c'est Paco pour Alpha Blues numéro 2. Aujourd'hui, la lettre B, B comme bagnole, quand bagnole rime avec rock'n'roll. Alors quand on parle des déplacements et des errances ou des migrations des premiers bluesmen, on pense plutôt au train, le train qu'ils attrapent pour tenter leur chance vers les grandes villes du Nord, vers Chicago, via Memphis en partant du Delta. Mais après-guerre, la voiture devient le symbole de la réussite et l'adhésion au mythe américain. Même si aujourd'hui, en ces temps de crise climatique, la voiture a un peu perdu de sa superbe, il reste néanmoins que l'évocation de quelques noms fait immédiatement surgir des images d'un âge d'or de l'Amérique, comme on disait. Lincoln, Ford Thunderbird, Ford Mustang, Pontiac, Cadillac. On est tout de suite avec James Dean sur un riff de Chuck Berry. Bon, allez, on met les clés dans le contact et on fait rugir le moteur de la Mercury. Mercury, c'est une marque fondée par le fils de Henry Ford. C'est un modèle intermédiaire entre la marque de masse Ford et la plus luxueuse Lincoln. Au volant, Brian Setzer, 49 Mercury Blues. Nerveuse la bête. Allez, on continue en Mercury, mais avec une conduite plus souple. Steve Miller Band, Mercury Blues.
Up and down this road,
he stole her back again because she know he had a Mercury. Cruise up and down this road, up and down this road. Well, she know he had a Mercury and she cruise up and down this road. Hey now, mama, where'd you stay last night? Your hair's all down, your clothes don't fit you right. Have my money, I tell you what I do. Go downtown and buy a Mercury or two, 'cause I'm crazy about a Mercury now. Cruise up and down this road, up and down this road. I'm going to buy me a Mercury now. Cruise up and down this road, up and down this road. I'm going to buy me a Mercury. Going to buy me a Mercury. Going to buy me a Mercury. Cruise, cruise up and down this road, up and down this road. I'm going to buy me a Mercury. Buy me a Mercury. Going to buy me a Mercury. Cruise, cruise up and down this road. How, I got a new dance on short to you.
Tranquille en Mercury avec Steve Miller Band. Je vous parlais tout à l'heure de Chuck Berry, le poète du rock and roll. Alors Chuck, il pourrait à lui seul illustrer cette émission tant il a écrit de chansons sur la bagnole. Jugez plutôt. Maybelline. Alors Maybelline, la Maybelline, c'est une Lincoln Continental. My Mustang Ford. No particular place to go. You can't catch me. No money down. Jaguar and the Thunderbird. Que des histoires de bagnoles, de belles voitures, que collectionnait Chuck d'ailleurs. Dans Jaguar and the Thunderbird, il raconte la course de deux bolides, une Jaguar et une Ford T-Bird, qui se tirent la bourre avec le shérif local qui essaye de les rattraper. Bien essayé, shérif. Avec un Chuck Berry qui fait du rap 20 ans avant tout le monde. Chuck Berry, Jaguar and the Thunderbird, 1959.
Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird fool. 10-mile stretch on the Indiana road when a sky blue Jaguar and a Thunderbird fool. Jaguar sitting on 99, trying to beat the bird to the county line. Just a half a mile from Newtonville, had a speed sign sitting at the top of the hill. It said 35 miles and stay in line, but the Jaguar and Thunderbird never made the sign. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird fool. Newtonville was a real small town, had 102 and 9 acres of ground. Some stool pigeon put the sheriff wise, told him park down in Newtonville and catch him guys. Sheriff laid low, half hid in the weeds, parked for 8 days, didn't nobody speed. All of a sudden dust rose on the road, said, here come the Jaguar and Thunderbird fool. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird fool. Sheriff double clutched second, put him in third, took right out after Jaguar and Thunderbird. He knew he'd get a bonus and a big fat fine if he caught him before he crossed that county line. Sheriff never drove his car 100 flat, but if he aimed to get him, he had to do more than that. Crested the hill, he's about a yard behind, there wasn't but 2 more miles to the county line. Slow down, little Jaguar, keep cool, little Thunderbird fool. Old sheriff was counting on it down the grade with the tailwind pushing, and he had it made. Thunderbird saw the sheriff gain his speed and waved goodbye. Jaguar pulled in the lead. Jaguar said, you ain't won the race yet. Pulled back around the bird like a saber jet. Sheriff front bumper was a yard behind when the T-Bird and Jaguar crossed the line. Slow
Chuck Berry, excellent comme d'habitude. Nostalgie, nostalgie. Alors si on remonte encore dans le temps, on voit que la voiture fait rêver dès les années d'avant-guerre. Robert Johnson célèbre la Terraplane, une superbe voiture puissante et relativement abordable à l'époque, une voiture construite dans les années 30. On écoute la version d'Eric Clapton de Terraplane Blues en 2004 sur son album hommage à Robert Johnson.
And I feel so lonesome. You hear me when I'm on. And I feel so lonesome. You hear me when I'm on. Who've been driving my airplane now? You since I've been gone. Well, I flashed your lights, mama. I'm bound to check your heart. And I flashed your lights, mama. This horn won't even blow. There must be a short in this connection. Well, baby, swear down below. I'm gonna hush your hood, mama. I'm bound to check your heart. I'm gonna hush your hood, mama. I'm bound to check your heart. I got a woman that I'm loving way down in Arkansas. Cause it ain't buzzing, little generator won't get that far. When the motor's in a bad condition, you need these batteries charged, and I'm crying, please, please don't do me wrong. Who've been driving my airplane now? You since I've been gone. Mr. Highwayman, please don't block the road. Please don't block the road. 'Cause you read in the code 100 that I'm booked and I got to go. Driving my airplane now for you since I've been gone. I'm gonna get down in this connection, keep on tangling with these wires. Get down in this connection, keep on tangling with these wires. And if I mashed down and hit your starter, then your spark plugs will give me fire.
Terraplane. Merci Robert Johnson d'avoir immortalisé cette voiture dont le nom aurait sans doute disparu sans cet enregistrement. Alors s'il y a un nom qui est bien vivant, c'est celui de la Cadillac. La Cadillac créée dans l'usine de Detroit, Michigan, et qui doit son nom au fondateur français de la ville, Gascon Antoine de Lamotte Cadillac. Moins rock'n'roll comme nom, tu meurs. N'est-ce pas Vince Taylor? Brand New Cadillac.
She looked at me, Daddy. right by her side. I say, baby, 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 won't you listen to me? Come on, baby, come on, hear my plea. Turn that big car around, come on back to me. Hang it on, Scotty, here we go. Coming back, I ain't ever coming back, I ain't ever coming back, I ain't ever coming back. I like
Ah, ça pique, hein. Brand New Cadillac, 1959 par Vince Taylor. Brand New Cadillac, une Cadillac flambant neuve. Ah, ça c'est un rêve pour Lee Dorsey, lui qui ne s'en sort pas avec sa vieille bagnole qui n'arrête pas de tomber en panne. Lee Dorsey en 1967, My Old Car.
20 long miles from town, my old car broke down. The clutch is shot and the sun is so hot. Oh, what I'd give to be home. 19 miles from town, my old car broke down. The battery's dead, man, like I said. Oh, what I'd give to be home. 18 miles from town, my old car broke down. The fan belt's slipping and the engine's missing. Oh, what I'd give to be home, resting my bones. 17 miles from town, my old car broke down. Just my luck, I got the fuel pump stuck. Oh, what I'd give to be home. With the sun so high up in the sky, and I'm trying to get home to my baby. When I get that far, I'm gonna pay this car. It's got to go, and I don't mean maybe. 16 miles from town, my old short broke down. My tire's down, no spare around. Oh, what I'd give to be home. Oh, yeah. 15 miles from town, my old car broke down. The battery's dead, man, like I said.
Lee Dorsey et sa bagnole qui tombe en panne tous les kilomètres. Ah, quand ça veut pas. Tiens, ça me rappelle le festival Rock and Cars à Lavore. On était à l'affiche avec Blues Power Band, on était programmé après le groupe Au Bonheur des Dames. Alors pour les plus jeunes ou pour ceux qui auraient oublié, Au Bonheur des Dames, c'est oh les filles, ouais, ça vous parle ça. Je me souviens pendant le festival, la pluie avait commencé à tomber peu avant l'heure du show de Au Bonheur des Dames. Et l'eau a commencé lentement, mais sûrement à monter. Et la scène s'est retrouvée noyée, inondée avec des câbles dans l'eau. Les pompiers qui étaient chargés de la sécurité ont dit « halte au feu, on annule tout ». Au Bonheur des Dames a pu reporter son show au lendemain. Et nous, avec BPB, on a dû reprendre la route. Alors du festival Rock and Cars, on aura surtout vu les Cars. Mais on en aura vu des belles, notamment de la Ford Mustang.
Mustang Sally. Guess you better slow your Mustang down. Oh Lord, what I said now. Mustang Sally now, baby. Oh Lord.
Ai-je besoin de présenter Mustang Sally par Wilson Pickett? Je crois pas. Si toutes ces belles bagnoles vous ont fait rêver, mais que vous n'avez pas forcément les moyens, faites comme Janis Joplin, demandez au Seigneur. Oh Seigneur, tu veux pas me payer une Mercedes-Benz?
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? My friends all drive Porsches, I must make amends. Worked hard all my lifetime, no help from my friends. So oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a color TV? Dialing $4 is trying to find me. I wait for delivery each day until 3. So, oh Lord, won't you buy me a color TV? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a night on the town? I'm counting on you, Lord. Please don't let me down. Prove that you love me and buy the next round. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a night on the town? Everybody, oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? My friends all drive Porsches, I must make amends. Worked hard all my lifetime, no help from my friends. So, oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz?
Alpha Blues numéro 2, c'est fini. On se retrouve bientôt. Salut les blueseux.
Alpha Blues.